Yes, 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 yes. What a time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to
another
one.
Come on, we are spicing it up this time around.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're excited to be back again. Welcome to the NFP session. Brought to you by TD Markets Academy. This one is on a Wednesday, Ash.
Wednesday, crazy one. Nice change to it.
Nice change to it. We're used to the CPI being on Wednesday.
Yes.
But not the NFP.
Not the NFP, guys.
Come on.
A warm welcome, guys. 11th of Feb. We steamrolling through the month, brother.
Look, we're steadily getting there.
Yeah.
Steamrolling it. All right.
Yeah.
So just before we get started, if you're joining us for the first time, remember the information in this session is not advice, right? It is simply our point of view, our thoughts on how the market is going to react, but please don't take it as advice.
That's true. And guys, it's really a pleasure as always. Myself and T, as we're streaming, we are we're community based, we're interactive, so make sure to participate in the chat facility. You will see that the marketing department will be putting quite a bit of links in there for you as well. If you're here for your first time, like T mentioned, and you've not opened up a trading account, please make sure that you do that. All right.
Yes, sir. I'm looking at the chat right now. We are about 34 viewers watching us live. We're waiting for the slow pokes, like you said.
The slow pokes. So we're gonna wait a few more minutes, right, T? Maybe for them to come on.
Definitely a few more minutes, right? But while we're waiting, remember, if you guys wanna open up an account with us, TD Markets, you can simply head to tdmarkets.com. Under account types, you'll see different accounts that we have. Try them out and see what works for you. You know. We also have education, Ash.
Yes, education, very important, guys. Many guys want to be well versed in profits, but many of them are not well versed in competency, and that's what me and T offer at the academy part of the classes. You can come on, understand what it means to go through a beginner level, intermediary level, and also a more advanced, more seasoned, more matured, more experienced trader. We provide techniques, skills on how to go about doing that.
There we go. Definitely. I'm looking at one comment there that says no volume. I'm not sure if it's on our end. Can you hear me, Ash?
I can hear you 100%. I think, T, maybe the guys that's in the chat facility, Sandila, the guys on there, Sean, Jules, Houdini, maybe just type in the chat facility there if you can hear us, because then that will give, is it Dorcas? Yeah, Dorcas Khomotebe, an indication of what's happening,
let me just see here. I'm just going to try and adjust it.
All right, it might be a bit too... Okay, got you.
Might be a bit too high.
All right. We got Edo there. Thank you very much for that.
Kindly confirm, guys, how is it now? We just adjusted the volume levels.
Yes.
Ash mic is not clear. Hey, man, seems like there's a lot of problems, eh? What's happening?
Ash mic is a bit... Okay, I see it there.
Okay, audible, loud and clear. Okay, now... we want everyone to confirm with us. How is the sound? Is it good? We are getting confirmation from Kaho, Holding FX.
Yes.
Okay, now it's clear. Perfect.
It's clear. All right. Brilliant.
I think it was just a slight adjustment of the volume levels.
Of the volume. All right. The guy's saying clear. They're beautiful. So guys, let me just loop back. All right, it's perfect. Now let's loop back. Education, guys, from a beginners. I'm not going to say it exactly. I mean, that moment's gone, right?
Yeah. It's gone.
So, guys, from a beginners, intermediary, and advanced level, seasoned, matured, more experienced trader, we provide technique, skill, and understanding of the market. It's not only about the technicals, ladies and gentlemen. Myself and T, we provide the fundamental narrative as well, because at the end of the day, that's moving the market, whether we like to or admit it or not. The fundamental narrative does move the market, and the technicals is printing that for us, whether you're trading short, medium, or long term. All right,
man, and that's exactly how it is. You just put it right how it is. Yeah. So I think we sorted with the formalities. All right. You mentioned education.
Yes.
The details are on the chat right now. If you guys want to get in touch with us, our email care@tdmarkets.com, and then we will definitely sort you out. All right.
Yes. And guys, don't forget Friday we'll be doing CPI. CPI mixed with crypto decrypted, actually, because I suppose
you want us to...
Should we merge it? We merge it a little bit there for the guys, spice it up.
let's think about it throughout the session.
Nah, you think so?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's
all
just
right.
think about it, and then we'll see what we can do.
All right. So, guys,
Yeah.
so possibility of the merger there for Friday for CPI. Remember, guys, we also provide cryptocurrency trading, the derivative side on TD Markets. It's .io. Am I right there, brother? TDME.io.
That's correct.
And you guys can actually open up an account there, cross-pollinate with our crypto exchange and the MetaTrader 5 and 4 that we provide on the FX side.
Yes, sir. There we go. All right. It seems like we are getting positive feedback on the chat. Thank you so much. If you're joining us for the first time, if you're watching this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
And we do this every NFP and CPI release. The reason we've got NFP today is because of the delay as a result of the government shutdown.
That's
partial
correct.
government shutdown.
That's correct.
All right. That pushed or delayed this data. But and also the CPI, I think CPI was supposed to be today, but
Yes.
then it got pushed to Friday. Right?
Exactly.
But usually it's the first Friday of each month. That is the NFP CPI second week of every month. Right? There we go. Yes, sir. We've got Tato, we've got Chris, we've got Jules, we've got Tato 2 times. Okay, I just said we've got Sean. Blade, is it Blade? Blade is in the house.
Yeah,
as
Blade.
well.
Let's just say Blade there. Keep Blade.
Blade is in the house. No,
Yes.
look, guys. Yeah, this is the NFP. When I trade the NFP, we've got 55 viewers now. And yeah, I think let's get right into it. Ash, want to
Okay.
break it down for us?
Of course, my brother.
Yes,
of
sir.
course. All right. So, guys, to the guys, especially the beginners, we're not speaking about the regulars, our regular guys. You guys, by now, your ears should be ringing what it is. But for the beginners that's tuning in, NFP is the US monthly job report, guys. It's released on the first Friday of every new month. It does tell us how many jobs were created, the unemployment rate, how fast wages are growing. It's basically a report card for the US economy, all right, in the labor side, which obviously expands into different places. Now, why is NFP extra important at the start of the year? Well, it sets the tone for the whole year. This one in specificity, all right? The first few job reports show whether the economy is still strong or starting to slow, and markets use this data to adjust expectations of what the Federal Reserve will do in 2026. You are in for a treat on Friday. We got the pod out on Friday, and we were chatting about interest rates and 2026 kickoff. We were, really in conversation about the cutting of rates, how many is expected, 2 or 3. And this NFP is going to give us a sneak peek into that. All right. Now, lastly, maybe here, the US is at a turning point right now. All right. Markets are expecting the Fed to cut the rates this year. Growth is showing signs of slowing. Inflation is cooled, but it's not fully under control yet. And consumer spending is weakening in some areas. So this NFP is going to help us answer a major question. All right. Is the economy cooling enough for the rate cuts, or is it still too strong for the Fed to ease the policy? And so maybe just from a expectation perspective, if the jobs come in, number one, stronger than expected, the Feds may delay the rate cuts. The USD will rise in strength. Gold may fall for a technical correction, and stocks could face a lot of pressure. There's the NAS 100, the S&P 500, etc. And then obviously the other side, if there is weaker than expected data, the rate cut expectations increase. It could move up now. The USD can fall. Falling meaning, that sounds very crazy. The USD falls.
USD falls.
Yeah, it just weakens in the short term, all right? Gold can rise in this specific session, and then the stocks may also benefit, meaning we will be looking for some longs with the NAS 100, NAS 100, and the US 30 as well, all right?
Yes, sir. You asked a very important question. Is the labor market cooling?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the market expectation right now. They are forecasting, at least from the consensus, is 66,000 to 70,000 new jobs created, right?
Yeah.
From obviously the previous data, which was 50,000. So the question is the labor market cooling, or do we have signs of a cooling labor market, or will this report reinforce signs of a cooling labor market and potentially point to a more entrenched slowdown?
Yeah.
Let's see what's going to happen, man.
Yeah, very interesting also. There's a lot of, I'll just use the word conspiracy here for the sake of, right? There's so many stories as to why the brief shutdown happened there.
Oh yeah? Talk to us.
Yeah, why the brief shutdown happened there? Because they were trying to get some catch up on getting the numbers together.
Hey, catch up.
Yeah, exactly. Because now the brief government shutdown is there, and then it reopens like the next week, and all of a sudden give the report. So there's people. And remember, it's all online, guys. This is alleged, all right?
Yeah.
It's not permanent. We didn't get this from a credible source. This is pulling data from everywhere. It's bringing a delay on the job numbers, because remember, they want the cut.
Yeah.
So if they have a longer time to count the numbers, they may come up with a much more solid number. But if it's in a short space of time, they're scrambling and they might make a mistake and give a much lower number. So if there's a lower number and it's cooling, the rate cuts come quicker, which is what the administration wants. Because
that's what the president wants.
That's what he wants. And he brought Kevin Wash, all right, conveniently in at this time, beginning of the year. And because of that, and remember, he is hawkish.
Yep.
He's hawkish. He's pro crypto, right?
Yep.
And so he would want the cut. He does. Obviously, he's going to say it's data dependent. I mean, that's the political thing to say.
Sure.
But I mean, if you think about it, if you came on as a recommendation from the leader that wants the cuts, and you're in there and you are pro what he wants, there's another layer there that's not being chatted about.
Man, look, you are raising a topic that we can dive deep into it.
Yes.
But the guys will have to watch the podcast.
Yes.
It's going to be released on Friday.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
But I hear what you're saying, my brother.
Yes.
And hence, so I think it's the first time, if I get my, it's the first time we have the NFP on a on a Wednesday.
Exactly, which is obscure.
It is, bro.
You see, there's just something about it that
And then 2 days later, you've got the CPI.
And 2 days later,
so
which means things can be adjusted, bro. But things are put in a certain routine for the mind of the people. You see what I'm saying, bro?
Gotcha.
It's like insurance companies.
Yeah.
They go up with $100 at the start of the year. You call them, you tell them, listen here, man, I've been with you for 14 plus years. Sure. How can you go up with 100? You got to give me a discount. I'm walking to my competitor. They will come down. So which means there is the leeway. They just doing it because they can, bro.
My man. Look at that, my man.
Just because they can.
Just because they can.
They have the authority and the autonomy to do it. It's the same as, so it can be done on a Wednesday in the same week. It can be done, NFP and the CPI can be done in 1 week.
It can.
They doing it because they can.
Imagine you have all three, CPI, NFP, and FOMC the same week.
Now, bro, what you're saying is critical, because you know what actually rubs me the wrong way is, and not necessarily to what we're discussing today, generally speaking, the abuse of power, bro. The abuse of power, the fact that that you can change people's lives, but you opt not to for your own reasons. And when it's convenient, you'll do it. If it's not, in terms of agenda. So it's just a statement. I think everybody on the chat has to at some point have met up with the abuse of power. It's needless to talk about South Africa at this point, because we know.
It's needless, bro.
Needless, bro.
So I think these discussions, we're gonna get deep into them, right?
Yes.
As we are watching the data come out, waiting for obviously the markets to move. But just quickly going back to the market expectation.
Yes.
Markets are forecasting that you're going to have between 66,000 to 70,000 new jobs for the month of Jan. Unemployment rate is expected to remain the same at 4.4%, as well as average hourly earnings. Right. So we will see. We'll see. I mean, January, that's when people are getting back into routine, from a December holiday, getting back into routine. So let's see how this figure will impact the markets.
Yeah. Also, guys, just remember, we are here to obviously provide quite a bit of a great service.
Yeah.
Very professional and very competent. But also, we're also here to provide a bit of entertainment at the end of the day.
Bro. Of course.
And raising, great topics that stimulates the people to actually go and think about it at the end of the day, Because if you just fed everything and you just take it for what it is, what someone's giving you, there's no thought process for yourself. So we don't want to sound philosophical or too motivational, but because we're delivering a fantastic, competent, and professional service here. But please don't forget, guys, we have to stimulate our brains and think, beyond what is just given to us.
I mean, speaking of a bit of entertainment, we promised the guys something.
Yeah, okay.
Remember the last
I
one?
don't know if I'm involved in that one, though. I don't know. I don't think I'm involved in it, though.
Guys, we promised Ash, we promised the guys something.
Bro,
We said, "Hey, look."
I don't use the word promise loosely, bro.
Okay, let me not say promise,
Yeah.
but we told the guys we're gonna do something. No, but look, we'll let you guys know later on, right? Yeah.
Let's see if they're gonna.
Let's see if they're gonna remember. Right. So look, we explain what the NFP is. So we're gonna explain how we do everything. All right. It's very important. For those who are joining us for the first time, please pay close attention to what I'm about to say. So obviously we are trading a report, all right? We know the volatility, we know how quick and sometimes how aggressive the market can move. So we're trading a report where we are focused on the dollar pairs, right? We're also gonna have a look at the indices. But what we're trying to do here is to scalp the reaction, to scalp the movement. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on the M15 time frame. And we've got gold, we've got silver, we've got USD JPY, and the rest of the dollar pairs, okay, on the M15 time frame. The idea is to wait for the market to react before we enter. There's nothing wrong if you enter before the market reacts. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So we're waiting for price to react, and then we're going to look for an entry and opportunity after that. So we want to look at the reaction, observe, try to make sense of what's happening, look at the figures and look at the charts. And then once the first M15 candle closes, then that's usually when we start to look for opportunities. But in the last few sessions, we entered even before the candle closed.
The actual 15 minutes.
Remember that, yeah.
I remember.
So we are waiting for the reaction, and it will depend if we're going to take a trade on the first M15 candle, which is going to open at 3:30, or the second M15 candle, right? But we don't enter before. So we're using correlation here. We are observing the dollar pairs together with the commodities, gold and your silver. So that's basically what we do. Scalping in and out, you are done. We're not looking to hold onto the position, just in and out. And have a good Wednesday, almost at Friday, and have a good Wednesday.
Have a good Wednesday,
That's it.
And guys, if you are looking at anything else, be sure to put it in the chat facility for us. We will definitely have a look and see if we can, just check it out, in the midst of the drama, so to speak.
Yes, sir. And the countdown has begun.
All right.
It's about 7 minutes and 50 seconds and counting. And what do you guys think? Maybe the guys let us know, right?
Yeah. Put in the chat facility. Stronger dollar, weaker dollar. Where are you guys?
How are you positioning yourself? Are you going with a stronger, or do you think we're going to have a stronger dollar or a weaker dollar? Let us know. The countdown has begun. And let's go. Let's see. Come on.
1522.
It's 1522.
What do you have on it's the gold, silver?
Oh, yes. While waiting for the guys, let's see, right? So obviously gold has been extremely bullish. Just to open up gold at the moment, I'm on the M15, gonna use the 1 hour in the M15. I mean, we just broken out of a very strong resistance to the upside, right? That was around $5,085, all right? So at the moment, price is testing that zone again, that resistance there. Let me just try to have it properly. Let's say around $5,080.
Okay.
Right. There we go. So I think there's going to be a very important level. We are getting a bounce, a rebound around that. So a weaker dollar will definitely aid us in using that zone for trading opportunities. All right. So if we can get a bounce from that, we know it's from a support, then we're likely going to go up. But if it's going to be a stronger dollar, then I think that level, we're still going to use that level, right, for some trading opportunities towards the downside. So that's what I have so far. I don't know if you have something different there, Ash.
No, at the moment, I think what I just want the data to come out first.
Right?
I first want the data to come out,
Got you. And then if you look at silver, we are also testing, or about to, right, test. I've got 84.57. So So there's a level around 84.57.
Okay.
Depending on what the data does, the market might retest this zone before it goes up. If we're getting a stronger dollar. But if you get a weaker stronger dollar, then price must break below this zone.
Yeah,
right?
got you there. Okay, I'm with you. I see you.
So either it's gonna retest and go up or break below. Then whichever direction we are gonna get trading opportunities.
Yes.
So I think fantastic opportunity here.
Actually, I see Albert there, weaker dollar. Andrea there, weaker dollar.
Is it? People are forecasting weaker dollar.
Yeah.
I mean, I would understand why anticipating weaker dollar. I mean, look, I would understand why.
Yeah, you know, I'm actually swinging more towards a stronger one. I think the narrative I think that Trump wants is too strong.
Okay.
You know, he can't take the media going on and losing even more trust globally from his peers on the state level, because Greenland, he was very unpopular with that.
Yeah.
Venezuela, I can't say he was popular or unpopular, because you know there's actual trading that takes place there. He's selling oil, right? But in Greenland, there's no outcome yet. So we went to Davos and he said, just give us the block of ice. We've never asked for anything. We support you guys. You know, we've been supporting you. Just give us the block of ice. So he dumbs it down. It's just a block of ice, but it's a very strategic point. Very strategic point.
So it was strategic.
It was very...
everything you said there.
Everything was so strategic. It just doesn't... Why would you be adamant about it? On his level, a global leader like himself, adamant, give Greenland. But it was unpopular the way he went about it, and he had to place emphasis on, we're not going to use any force. Look now, check that out.
Yeah.
Which means they anticipated that, because they looked at Venezuela, right? So they thought, okay, so we might just get the same Trump there. But then he comes and he switches it up.
I mean, I think that is how I think about it is, you know, what he said and how we used those words. We're not going to use it by force.
Yeah.
I think it was just trying to manage whatever expectation or whatever the guys were thinking about. But in actual fact, he might actually use, if push comes to shove, he might actually use.
Bro, that's exactly what I'm thinking. Because why would that be what you're saying first? Why is that on your tongue?
That's a good question.
You see, we won't take it by... Why is that? And because it's easy to come back later and say, you guys kind of forced us. You forced our hand.
We said this, you forced our hand. We are waiting for you to comply.
Because we've done so much. You see, so it's easy to change up later on. After that, it's easy, bro. It's like me saying to you, brother, next week, I'm coming to get you. Don't make any arrangements. Bro, we're gonna go here, and then Friday comes, and automatically I say, "Hey man, you know something very urgent came up with my wife." It's the same concept.
It's the same concept.
The changing of the narrative. I assured you this is my intention, but then there is something that's more pressing, meaning my agenda at home came up. And so it superseded and overpowered what we were. So the agenda of America is greater than Greenland. The agenda of America is greater than NATO. Can't come and say it's not. It's true. It was so great he took Venezuela. That's how great the agenda was. So I don't think that he's going to want bad results. You see what I'm saying, bro? You wouldn't want bad results, especially at the start of the year. He doesn't want them to think, because he wants to make America great. So the more they trust him, the better it is for the narrative. Which I can respect, actually. I can respect that he's being strategic about it. I mean, I'm being neutral here, you know, because I do like a couple of things about Trump. I'd be honest, I do, you know.
I mean, he's been strategic from when he was campaigning for votes.
He
was just strategic in how he moved. I mean, what came to mind right now is, remember when you got shot? Campaigning, he continued, you know, with everything.
Let's be honest, there's not a lot of people that will continue, bro.
There we go. That's my point.
Some guys are gonna run for cover and be like, they try to kill me, they try to use him. So, you know, so there's things about Trump. Yes, I'm not talking about his personal life, his past. I don't care about that. Because those kind of stuff, you can always manipulate it for your narrative. We got to look at what has he done now. There's no other president that comes from as a businessman and then becomes a president. That's a big achievement, bro. Whether people want to admit it or not, it is an achievement. If he has any negative, if he has a negative agenda, then obviously we'll look at it. But at this point in time, if he was, I don't think Biden could outdo him, bro.
Sleepy Biden.
Like, I'm being honest. Like, I genuinely don't think. Leave Democrats and I don't think he's a greater leader than Trump. I just don't think so.
Yeah.
I laughed because I saw a clip. Biden said something when they were debating, and then Trump said, "I don't know what he just said." I'm like, what?
You know what? We're gonna continue that conversation because the report is out.
Is it out? Okay,
look
good,
at that.
Good. All right.
We're gonna continue that.
Yeah.
That's a very interesting conversation. All right. So let's have a look at the figures, guys.
Look. What I tell you, bro.
Woo.
Look at the dollar here, bro. What is the figures? Like I said, the narrative to me is he would have won that for the world, bro.
I'm waiting for the figures. Okay, so average hourly earnings 0.4%. I'm waiting for the unemployment rate. And
it's pending, huh? Look, it's better.
Pending.
See, told you, brother.
Look at that.
Bro, what did I tell you, bro?
It's a stronger dollar.
There's no ways he's going to allow. So this government shutdown becomes a cover. It was a shutdown. We couldn't get it. This was what we came up with as an example. Who's gonna penalize him? He's the world's most powerful man.
Exactly.
Who's gonna tell him, go into it and no one's gonna do that.
Come
bro.
on, man. We should have a full episode of the podcast
Look
around
at
that.
that. Look at that, bro.
Around that.
There's no ways he's gonna come out swinging and saying, "Make America great again." Like I said to you, I swung towards a much stronger dollar, right?
Much stronger
It's
dollar.
for the sake of the narrative he's been pushing. There's no ways, bro. This is classic power.
Come on.
This is power, bro, on display. I don't know about the guys in the chat facility here, guys. Let us know what you think.
Let us know what you think, right? We're looking at 130,000 new jobs. Come on. 4.3% average hourly earning. This is just a stronger dollar.
It's a stronger dollar.
Now, let's see how long it's going to last or how long it's going to take.
Yes.
But I think we should be getting an opportunity very soon here, Ash.
And you know what, bro? He doesn't care about the structure we're seeing. He just cares about the numbers. Because on his campaigns, he'll say, no, we came out stronger. In the month of this, we hit 130,000 jobs. The US is stronger than ever. We're creating jobs. We need to cut those rates. See, we need to cut the rates. More jobs need to. So it's convenient. So this structure, guys, all the guys online, this is just structural, guys. This is just a correction that is taking place. It does not mean gold is bearish all of a sudden.
No.
It doesn't mean that.
Yeah.
And if you look at the 4 hour, bro, can you just go to the 4 hour on gold?
Yeah.
It's still within that consolidated zone.
It's still there,
It's
right
not
there.
moved, bro. So do you see? This is about the number printed on the NFP card. It's the number 130,000 jobs. That's what's needed here. Not this, but this is.
And it's going to go back and say, see, I told you.
I told you guys, stronger than ever.
Stronger. Look,
Our
relax.
system
I got
is.
this.
I told you guys, we're going somewhere. And kudos to him. He's doing it, bro. I don't know if you think South Africa would be able to pull something like this off.
I don't think so. I think we're scared, bro. I think SA is just scared.
There's a lot of accountability here as well. A lot of the political parties will really come up and say, guys, give the proper figures here. Do you think that is something that we do have? Well, we know that there is corruption, but do you think that is something that South Africa does kind of have? We got a lot of whistleblowers. We got a lot of people that are willing to come and say, you're wrong. This is wrong.
And you see, the thing with that now, because of these whistleblowers, they saw what has been happening for like the past 5-10 years. So now they are there, right?
Yeah.
So now everyone now is treading carefully now.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think we had it
Yeah.
back then, but
Yes.
not now.
Not now.
Not now.
Okay. Point taken.
Yeah.
Point taken. So on gold on the 1 hour, bro, can you see how that spike is now being corrected?
Let me just I'm on the 1 hour.
On the
right
1
now.
hour, right? It's bearish. It's trying to find a bit of support now.
I see that spike there.
Do you see that?
Yeah, let me put on the low. Let me put just the line there. Okay, there we go.
So, which means, bro, I'm gonna look for minute frames here to get into this. I'm gonna look for minute frames, but right now, as I'm not seeing the minute frame at a place where it is giving me the follow through that I need, that price has actually found the support that we see on the 1 hour there.
Not as yet, no?
Not as yet, bro. Can you switch on the RSI there, brother?
Just 1 second. Let me look for the relative strength index.
Yeah.
Right.
And then go to the 1 minute. All right.
Yeah.
Then in the RSI, put a 45 line and the 55 line.
Right. Let me do this. And the 50.
55.
55.
Yeah, 55 and 45.
There we go.
Okay, and you see that there. So those two zones. Now look at the 1 minute. It's not even gone above the 45, meaning that area is the support of strength that's about to go above the 50. Now, only if we see that average close above the 55, does that mean that buyers are actually attracted to this setup on the shorter time frames. But for as long as these specific candles are below the 45, the setup's not ready to go up yet. You see, bro. So the setup for the buy is not here yet.
Not as yet, right?
Yeah, it's not here yet, bro.
So we're looking for the RSI and price to
go above and close above the 55.
Yeah.
More so the 1 minute and the 2 minute. That would be a wonderful, wonderful candle, because then we can switch to a 5 minute, wait for an entry above the resistance, and then enter on the 5 minute.
I'm with you.
You see, so right now it's just not there yet.
Yeah.
It looks like the panic is still in the market.
So we could still continue further towards the downside.
Yes, brother. That's what I'm thinking here. We could go down to 4984, which is the support of that consolidated zone we see there. 4984. Maybe you just want to put it there. 4984.
4984.
Yeah. You'll see it clearly there. Yeah. We might just go back there to retest, and then later on.
I see that zone.
You see that zone, bro.
Okay. Got you.
So if we're going to get in there, this is obviously going to be a very big risk, bro, because price has already gone. You still have the RSI on there, right?
Yeah.
Go to the 15 minute and to the 20 minute.
All right. Let me just put the 20 right there. Right. Okay.
So can you see the 20 minute is now below the 45, right? Quickly go to view and then click on the data window.
Okay, view.
Data window.
Data, there we go.
There we go, right? So now take the crosshair, right? And then go to the last candle and where it closed. And you'll see that the RSI at the bottom, it says 50.
The previous candle, right?
The previous, on the 20 minute, nah?
Yeah, on the 20 minute.
You see it says 50.96?
Yeah.
So it did not close beneath the 45. That means the strength of the sellers is not even in here yet.
Not as okay.
You see, but if we get a candle that closes, like this one is now at 41. If you take the crosshair and you put it on the current candle that's there, that's at 42. So that's below.
142.
If this candle closes beneath, sellers have come in. You see, bro.
Got you. I see what you're talking about.
You see, so this then becomes a area for us to get into a sell. But then we may need to wait for a 30-minute close now. So we move up for one time frame.
Yeah, we're 30.
Yeah, 30. Yeah. And then so if we say 20, now just put a resistance. Not a resistance, sorry. A support. Let me just see here, bro. No, hold on. Bro, sorry.
Yeah.
What we're gonna need is where the price closes, we put the horizontal line there on the 20 minute, if that makes sense. Okay. So the close of that, we put the horizontal line there. Then we switch to the 30. And if the 30 closes beneath that line, that becomes a specific zone for us to sell now.
Okay.
You see, which means we're digging into that range there for the short, for the stronger dollar that's come out now. But if the 30-minute closes above and it rejects, then obviously we know we're looking for the setup on the shorter time frames to go up. Right now, there's nothing at this point.
I was about to say, right now we're waiting. There's nothing now.
There's nothing just now waiting. At this point in time. But do you see how this thing fits into the narrative, bro? That you can't allow anything to actually move that That's serious commitment, though. I'll give him that, bro.
Yeah.
That's serious commitment, like dedication to what he's doing, brother. It's powerful, bro.
I mean, after all, he wants to make America great again.
Yeah, and then what? This is first year, so he's still got 3 years to go, man.
Hey, man, and he's done a lot. I mean, a lot has happened in this first year.
The Democrats, did you see this whole thing about the files and so forth, and how the Democrats are out to get him with the Epstein files?
Democrats.
Yeah.
I mean, Democrats would want to get him.
Yeah, you're absolutely
Would want to
point taken.
Yeah.
And so they are like really digging into that because his name is mentioned like tens of thousands of times in the files.
I mean, I'm not sure. I don't know how accurate.
Yes, I agree.
The files, and also there's been like clips. I'm not sure if it's AI or what. So we don't show if it's accurate,
bro,
but he's done the clips.
That's exactly what I'm saying, bro. If it is, if it's not proven in court that he's guilty, it's hearsay, bro. Exactly. It's view, it's opinions. Because at the end of the day, the judicial system is supposed to rule on the point and say he is found guilty.
Yeah.
If he's not found guilty by the courts, nobody can say he's guilty.
No one can say anything.
Nobody, bro. Proven innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah.
Well, one of R. Kelly's songs, remember that? Remember his song? Yeah,
He said.
yeah, it was. I think it was one of his songs, bro. R. Kelly, bro.
The last time I heard someone talk about R. Kelly, I don't know when it was, bro. And I think it was one of our colleagues. I don't know.
But doesn't he make good music back in the day?
Yeah, no, sure. He's a legend.
He is, bro.
I mean, apart from what has been said, what he's did, but musically, come on.
Yeah, musically you can't touch the guy. Okay, so look at the 20, bro. Look where it closed. That was the previous candle, 46. See, it didn't close beneath, bro.
Let me go back.
On the data window, previous candle, 46. Look at that. So it's not there yet. The sell is not there yet. There could be a correction coming now.
Yeah.
Small correction.
I'm also looking at what USD JPY is doing.
Okay.
Look at how messy it is now.
It's messy, bro.
So there are no sellers as yet on gold.
Nope.
But according to your structure, we knew, that could be a possibility. And I'm looking at USD JPY right now where spikes from upside to the downside, stuck in the middle. And it's on that level, Ash. It's on that resistance there. So that's going to be a very important area.
That's going to be a very important area. The 20 minute, what I like about this now, the 20 minute on the USD JPY is now going to the 55.
The RSI.
Yes.
Let me pull it.
It's at 50. It's at 55 now. So in the next 20 minutes, if we get that close there, we put a resistance, and then at 1600 hours for that hour, right? At 4 p.m., we can actually enter into a beautiful trade here, bro, for some upside. Then it means that spike, we'd be getting that spike. So it doesn't even matter if it goes up now, because price will retrace and we can just catch the retracement.
Yeah.
You see?
Got you.
And that is about 77 pips you and I can actually push into right now.
77.
Yeah, that's a lekker one. It's a lekker one. Huh?
Good pips.
So right now, gold and USD JPY is looking lekker, bro.
I'm seeing gold now trading below that level.
Yes, that's beautiful.
And okay. So the M15 is gonna close in about 3 minutes.
We can use the M15 as well. We can use the M15 as well. We don't have to use the 20. We can use any time frame that's gonna go below the 45.
Yeah, so the M20 looks good though.
The
20 minutes.
The 20 minutes, it's now at 42. The reason why I'm saying we could use the 15 because then we only go up one time frame to 20 minutes, and then it's shorter to wait for the entry. Because if we're gonna use the 20 minutes and we use the 30 to enter, we wait 10 minutes. Versus this one, we use 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Got you.
You see, so if we use so the 50 right now, we've got 2 minutes left. So wherever this one closes now, bro, just put a resistance at the close, a support at the close, and then switch to the 20, and then we wait for the close.
Okay, so we're gonna do that. And what about the previous one? So the previous daily or 20 minutes closure, I put a horizontal line there.
So that was, see, that closed at 53 on the 20 minutes. That closed at 46.
At 46, okay.
You see what I'm saying? But the 15 minute is lower down. That's the point. You see?
Okay, so we're gonna have that one. I might just leave it there, or
You can
or
actually
adjust it.
you can actually take that one and adjust it lower down.
Okay.
So we got just under a minute left.
Yeah.
This one's gonna close now. Yeah. This one's gonna close.
Yeah.
And it's closing at 40, 41, around there. So just take that same horizontal you had before and move it down to that close.
Okay.
Nah?
Yeah. Once this closes.
Once that closes, which is gonna be now.
All right. And I've got a feeling that this thing's still gonna go up.
Yeah.
It's still gonna go up.
I agree with you, bro.
So let's see. Let's just wait for this closure. Can you see closure?
Yes.
There we go.
Okay, so it closed. We're at 42. Beautiful. That's fantastic. So now there's the horizontal line. That is our support. So we go to a 20-minute. And if a 20-minute closes beneath that now, 5,060, that becomes a beautiful entry for us, actually.
So if it's above,
If it's above, no. Then we know that there is no sellers pushing it down at this point in time. You see,
Okay.
mean there's a correction that's coming. So these spikes here has actually induced a lot of the guys already. You see that? So sellers when they saw it go down, imagine it just comes up, takes out stop losses, goes back down.
just that manipulation there, or whatever they call it.
Yeah, you and I, we're not into those things that people
Yeah.
are into. They say this stuff, but at the end of the day, it is what it is.
Yeah, price is price.
Price is price. All right, so it's now on the 20-minute because we have our support, right?
Yeah.
How many how many minutes left here? We got till 15:50, right?
There's a 15:50, and that means 4 minutes.
4 minutes,
seconds.
yes, for us to get in. 13, no, sorry, 13, bro.
13 minutes left.
13 minutes left, yeah, for the 20-minute.
So that's gonna close at 4.
Yeah, I have a candle timer on now.
Okay. So I guess we're gonna wait a little bit. It's trying to build momentum towards the downside. A lot of spikes towards the downside.
Yeah.
Let's see. We've got our levels there, guys. We're waiting to see what's going to happen.
Exactly.
All right. And if you look at silver, I mean, just stuck there now. The M15 closed. Slow momentum. Not a lot of movements are happening at the moment. So let's see what's going to happen there. And then USD JPY, it's trying to fly.
It's trying to fly there, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that gold now. You see that? See that? There's the sellers because it closed beneath that 45 zone. That beneath that 45 zone is a continuation to the downside. So it's just a matter of getting into it now. And we always say to the guys, stop worrying about the closing. Volumes is what matters here.
Exactly.
If you put in one standard lot, you're gonna make a ton of money. Just by that movement.
Exactly.
So just get the close beneath that key point, the setup. And if that closing is there, because we've now used a bit of technique using the candles and the indicator to get some form of understanding. Even if you use a moving average, some of the guys will use like a 50-day moving average or whatever. But that's more for the long term, right?
Yeah, I mean a 50-day. That's when you're looking at the daily time frames.
Yeah.
They're just together. Yeah.
So we can use what?
For the M15 time frame.
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't. use
14,
average,
2 weeks.
Moving average.
2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. So it's hours now on the 20-minute. I put in 2 weeks of data, right? It's beneath. We've closed beneath. Look at that.
So that acts as a resistance now.
It's
moving average.
That's a resistance, and it's also a follow through for our short. If the 20 minutes closes beneath our 5,060.
Got you.
You see that? So it looks like the spike is what we're gonna correct first. But guys, please don't get me and T wrong here. Gold is still bullish overall.
Yeah.
Please, guys.
Yeah, overall it's still bullish.
Yeah, this is a risky trade coming down to the bottom.
What?
If we're gonna short it, it's very risky.
I thought you said something. I don't know why. I thought you said something, but yeah. So risky trade.
Oh, you'll tell me offline.
Yeah, I just want to fix this quickly. Actually.
All right, cool, no problem.
Just do this.
No problem. So, guys, it's a very, very interesting one here. I think our narrative really fed into the movement here. It's the first NFP here, and I think just from what we discussed, And where the US is at this moment in time, they don't want to risk anything that could potentially put them in a negative or at a disadvantage. At the end of the day, jobs is a very important report. It tells us a lot about the economics in the economy, the productivity, the business sentiment, and also the consumer confidence that is in that specific place, guys. Don't forget that it's critical. All right, if consumers believe in what's happening in the economy from a business stance, it puts a good narrative out there for the rest of the world to also do business with the US. So please remember that at the end of the day, every country is like a business. They have to sell what they have, the materials, the raw materials, the resources, the infrastructure, the capacity, their systems. They have to sell all of these things to trading partners. That's just what it is. So Trump, being the leader that he is, and the go-getter, which I do believe he is a go-getter, he would not risk that for a report that's going to be weak at the start of 2026.
You won't risk that.
He won't. He won't. He won't.
Nah, that's Trump for you, bro. So,
but it's going to be interesting to see the narrative behind it, though, bro, because
definitely
there's going to be a story.
Definitely.
And the story is going to tell us something interesting about, oh no, in the tech space, this is what happened. And so, but people need to learn to look past the layers and just, and see a bit deeper. All right.
I just want to do something here.
We got 9 minutes left on that M20.
Right.
9 minutes left on that M20.
Yeah, so price hasn't moved much. Gold hasn't moved much. Still stuck in the same range. So, that's what's going to happen there, bro.
And even the USD JPY long spike closed, the previous candle on the 15-minute closed at the 49 point on the RSI. That's very weak. That's weak. That's weak for buyers, bro. That's weak. So there is a fight right now. This is a key support area here.
So if it's weak for buyers, and
then the sellers,
and it goes down, that's USD JPY, right? Talking about USD JPY.
Yes.
Then gold could push towards the upside.
Exactly, for that correction. But then again, that correction is the inducement of the previous spikes. You see, so now guys they would want to do that. Like now, at this point in time, those spikes also represent rejection.
Yeah.
So that's why buyers will want to come in.
Yeah.
But we know the big guys have cash to push all of those buys down.
Go down one more time.
Liquidate all of that, and then boom, they go up again.
Exactly.
You
go
see,
down one more time.
One more time. You see. So that's what me and T is looking at right now, guys. It is the continuation of that move, that spike in the NFP. Now, check what I'm saying here. Oof, bro, can I just bring some distinction here?
Let's go for it.
The normal technical movement of the chart versus the fundamental movement of the chart is different, because the NFP, the spikes don't represent the same. You don't interpret it the same as a normal technical structure, because the normal technical structure is, if it rejects it, it means it's just a lower high if we're coming down. That's the spike. That says, listen, the structure is down. So there will be a spike. But on the NFP or this high impact data, the spike, it's in reverse. So it represents rejection, but that rejection is not the same as the technicals. It's to induce, so that because they know there's a lot of money coming in right now. There's heavy volumes. So if they can get all those volumes, because gold has been struggling, isn't it so, to actually go to the upside. Right? It's been recovering, but it's been at that resistance. So here's the perfect chance. Here's the money.
Bro, you mentioned something very important, and I hope the guys got it, right? So the spikes that are caused by these fundamentals, right, might not necessarily be the structure.
Yes.
Right? I mean, it happened... if the guys have been following the fundamentals from your Brexit days, remember Brexit?
Yes, bro.
British exit that caused,
exactly.
You would notice, and fast forward till today, you would notice that those fundamentals, big fundamentals, and also obviously these ones, the spikes, you must be careful, right? You might not necessarily count them as structure. The market will create proper structure.
Exactly.
If there's a spike after the structure, then we would look at the what's the right word for that? The structure of that structure.
Yes, now I hear you.
The structure
I
of the
hear you.
structure,
No,
right?
I understand you. I get
Got
you.
you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All
So,
right.
so I mean, look
Yeah.
at that. There's 5 minutes left. You cannot tell me this is not provoking buyers. Look at that.
It is. And if you look at silver as well, you see what silver is doing. So
Yeah.
there is definitely fighting happening here.
There's fighting, right? And then now, if the 20-minute closes like that, all we do is we switch to the 30. You see that, bro?
Yeah.
If that, so we will just keep going up until we have that candle that closes beneath the 5,060. You see, and then we can take the short. But until then, I mean, if you enter now, you're entering into a neutral place, and it can go either way.
It can go either way.
Yeah, right now it's literally. But I mean, at this point, like it just looks like it's more. It's just waiting.
Yeah, I mean,
It's just waiting.
this is not. I mean, we know NFP is like this, but still, it's not the cleanest. Not the cleanest.
It's not, and I wouldn't be surprised if after 4 minutes that red candle comes and closes beneath, bro. I wouldn't be surprised.
I mean, yeah, it's not the cleanest. It was promising in the beginning where you had that nice move on to the downside on gold, up on USD JPY.
Yeah.
Right now, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. Look at the small volumes now. The market is not moving now, right? We have waiting for our confirmations. We've got our levels in, just waiting for price to confirm.
Exactly.
So yeah, so just gonna wait a little bit. You said there's about 5 minutes left.
Yeah. Go to USD JPY on the 20 minutes, and you'll see there it's currently above the 55.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Now there's a high there. So take that high, put a horizontal level there, because that is perfect for us now, right?
The current candle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if it closes now above the 55 like that, we switch to the 30 minute and we wait for that to close. But when I say close, we need a candle above that,
Yeah.
153. Once we get that close above, man, that's going to be fantastic. That will be fantastic for a buy. So there's 3 minutes left here on the gold before we see the closure there. If it closes above, the short is not there yet.
I see on the chat right now, Holden FX is in Euro USD.
Is that for what? Is that for long or?
I'm not sure. Holden, is it for a long or a short?
Yeah, let us know there.
Looking at it right now, I think might be a short. Are you
Yeah.
short on Euro USD?
Yeah, because if it's a short, then yeah, if it's a short,
Yeah.
it's a short.
We're still waiting, but price is going down, so I can assume maybe it's a short. So that means we could be getting that follow through on gold, on the commodities.
Yeah, this is actually nice, bro. Go to Euro USD and then go to 1.18565.
1.18
565.
565.
Yeah.
Yeah, got
And then go to a 5 minute. We get a 5 minute close beneath there. This is a great shot.
Yeah, no, I'm with you.
You see that? So those three are then looking good now. Look at that. So Euro USD 5 minute candle beneath there. Great short to the downside. Back to that spike. Back to that spike there that it made on the 15 minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at that spike.
You're looking at it. So that's about what? 24 pips.
Yeah, I think that's going to be a nice setup. Getting
That's
that
a
break
nice.
below. It's gonna
That's
be
a nice
setup.
Nah. So okay, so Euro USD looks good for me and T. The gold price, 1 minute left. It's not budging there yet. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There's fighting happening here.
So Euro USD is where it's at for now, and that's the one that's looking good.
Just need to wait a little bit more here, right?
Yeah, just a little bit longer, guys. As T's
yeah.
saying there. Yeah.
All right. But so far, guys, we're hoping that you guys are enjoying the session.
Yes.
We haven't had any positions as yet. We're just waiting. We are planning. We are waiting for the market to confirm, and we're gonna go in. And that's what you do. You plan.
You plan.
Wait for the market, and then you execute when the time is right.
Yes.
You are at the red robot. You only move if it's safe to do so.
Yes, I agree with you 1000%, bro.
Yeah. So we're just waiting now. All right. But I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying yourself so far. We've got about 50 or 86 people watching us live.
Yeah.
Let's see what's gonna happen. Gold. Let's go. We're waiting now.
50 seconds left on that candle there. I don't think we're gonna go beneath there on this candle. We have to wait. Yes.
Yeah, this kind of does. Yeah, it doesn't look like.
It doesn't look like it. So if we get a push now after this candle is there and this pushes up, then it plays into what we're saying, that the inducement is happening and they're gonna take out the stop losses of guys that's here at that high there, the most recent high.
Yeah.
And then it could come down. So it's got to grab the liquidity both ways, basically.
My man.
Look at that Euro USD, bro, on the 5 minute.
It's pushing down.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking very nice.
Yeah.
That one might move first.
So Euro USD, just to let the guys know, Euro USD, we're looking for a break below 1.18565.
Yes.
If we can get a close below that, and we're looking for more downside.
Yes.
That 1 minute is over, Ash. So the candle should have closed.
Yeah. So let me look at it. Yeah, no, it closed above.
Yeah.
It closed above.
So it hasn't given us that confirmation as yet.
Nah.
We're waiting for that.
We're waiting for that. And then the 5 minute on the Euro USD, a new candle has started. So we got 4 minutes and 32 seconds left on that one.
All right. So we're standing by on this one, right?
But now look at gold here. The 20 minute is already, look at that. It already looks bearish here.
On gold.
Yeah. Look at that the other 20 minute opened up.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Okay. Okay, yeah. So we just need to wait for it just a little bit. USD JPY in the meantime is pushing towards that high of that previous candle.
You know, bro, I have another suggestion.
Sure.
I went down on the gold to a 10 minute and I looked at the previous close, which was at 43.17 on the RSI.
Let me just put it there. Okay, on the 10 minute.
Yeah, 10 minutes. So do you see just take the crosshair and look at the previous candle?
I'll do that just now. Yep.
Can you see that it says 43? So it's below the 45.
Yeah.
So that one that you had, that support, just move it down to that low there. If that makes sense. To the previous candle's low.
Yeah, on the 10 minutes.
On the 10 minute.
Okay. That low is 5058.
5058, yes.
Yeah.
And then we switch to the 15. And if we can get a 15 minute beneath there, that's also a sell.
Gotcha.
So I just went down to a lower time frame to see where the selling is dominating. Get the low, and then we wait for a higher time frame to follow through, which is the same thing as the Euro USD. But again, because it closed above on the 20, that correction could come. But we don't want to wait another 20 minutes to the downside. That's why I went further down to get a 15-minute close instead.
Yeah.
You see? So it's going to be great if we can get a 15-minute now beneath that 5058.
All right. So we just need to wait. We just have to wait.
We just have to wait.
Yeah, just have to wait. All right. So Tato says, well, they done with my stops. They can let the market move now. Oh, are you out already, Tato? Let's see, right? So while we're waiting, guys, you can follow us on all social media platforms. The link tree is on the chat. You will find all the links. So you just need to open that link, and then it will take you through to the other links, our social media links. All right. Let's share. Let's subscribe. Let's share. We're pushing for 10,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Yes.
10K subscribers on YouTube. All right. We're pushing for that. So let's go. Standing by. Amen.
All right. So Euro USD and gold looks like they could be coming through nicely for us, bro. It's just a matter of time. The Euro USD is rejecting now.
Just a matter of time.
To the upside. We could get that close beneath, which is what we're gunning for, right?
Just a matter of time. So we're just waiting. So this is a scenario where we are back to those sessions where we waited for the setup, right?
Yeah.
For the setup to appear proper, give us our entry. So we're waiting now, guys, right? So let's see how long it's gonna take.
And check that now. Check that. So it closed beneath. Above, and look at that. Look at that correction. So look how it's inducing people. You see what I'm saying, bro?
It is now gold, right?
Yeah,
Gold right
yeah.
now.
Gold as looks like it's pushing up now, which is what we said. If it closes above, we're anticipating that move.
So now let's have a look at the scenario, okay? So I've got a resistance around 5080. That resistance comes from, I think, the 4 hour, the 1 hour chart. Yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour. So if a scenario happens where price goes past that zone, what are we looking at now?
So that specific scenario would play out on the higher time frames. If you look at the hour frame on that, okay, the current candle at this point on the hour is at 55 from a strength perspective.
Yeah.
If that closes like that,
Yeah.
above the 55, because the higher time frame is bullish, so that's why we would look for higher time frame follow-throughs.
Sure.
Because the higher time frames is bullish. Why are we only going for shorter time frames on like the 15 minutes for a sell is because of the correction that took place due to the strong US dollar. But if this on the 1 hour, if it closes like this now, we'd wait then, for example, a 4 hour to close above the resistance of this current candle. Does that make sense?
And then that's going to give us a continuation.
Exactly.
Towards the upside.
That gives us a beautiful continuation then to the upside, because the higher time frames are all still bullish, very bullish.
Because I'm looking at what silver is doing now. There's a bit of momentum now pushing up. That's why we're seeing the same thing on gold.
Yes.
So I'm trying to look at that scenario if it happens,
Yes.
how we would react to it.
But now check this, bro. 1 hour from now, we know is at 1700 hours, right?
Yeah.
So what price can do is it can close above the 55, right? But then in the next 4 hours, it first goes down and then goes up.
I see what you're
If that makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
You see, so it closes at 5. It closes above the 55. Beautiful. We have our strength candle, right?
Yeah.
Then we switch over to a 4 hour, 6, 7, 8. In the first 2 hours there, down, correct, goes to that spike there, takes out all those guys, and then comes up, and then the 4 hour closes above for the bullish guys.
Got you.
You see, bro?
Got you.
So that is what could play out.
Yeah.
You see, so what we want is the 1 hour close above 55. That's the first thing. Then we want the 4 hour above that. Then we have beautiful momentum to the upside.
Got you.
You see.
Got you.
So,
No, look.
yeah.
Understood. It's clear, simple, straightforward.
Simple,
I think the guys
yeah.
got it.
Yeah.
Right. So now we're just waiting now, guys. All right. Just waiting.
Suleiman, what's your thoughts on Euro USD? I was whole morning in the sell and it hit my TP. That's good. Euro USD, at this point in time, if you look at the higher time frames, it is actually busy with the continuation to the upside. It's not reached the phase of movement yet, where it's like it's really pushing now. It's actually trying to break above and create new structure. That's what Euro USD is doing. So in the creation of new structure, you're going to get resistance of that structure, if that makes sense. Did that make sense that I just said there, right? So there's going to be a resistance from the sellers, because the buyers is trying to create a higher high. I think that's the right way of putting it. The buyers is trying to create a higher high, a continuation, right? But the sellers, especially the NFP that has come out now, is pushing it down to create further support for the higher high at a later stage. So if it hits your TP, we're not surprised. It's good.
Yeah, no, it's good. Yeah.
It's good. But the overall movement here has not broken to the upside yet. It's still struggling there.
Yeah, it's still struggling. And I can see I'm on the daily right now. I'm not sure what time frame were you looking at, Ash?
Yeah. I was looking at the monthly and the weekly to understand the structure that the higher high wants to form, but the shorter time frames is showing the sellers are still resisting.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's where now we're getting these multiple time frames not aligning together at the moment.
Exactly. No, 100 spot on.
Because your weekly daily shows you this, and then your lower time frame shows you the complete opposite.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
Spot on. Exactly that. And look at that USD JPY now. Look at that. And as much as it's, you see, so our resistance is actually really powerful. 153. If you think about it, it's actually very powerful because we're seeing it is a place of resistance. So if price closes above there, then we have a solid buy here. That's what we want to see. And that spike has to be retested somehow. It has to be closed. So it's actually good that price is coming down like that, guys. We still see some of the dollar possibly strengthening here today. All right. And I mean, even NAS is struggling right now.
Struggling.
Yeah, it's struggling, bro.
I'm looking at AUD USD. My goodness, this was probably the cleanest move. AUD USD, right? Still pushing towards the upside. Let me see.
Yeah, bro, AUD USD has actually created a higher high now.
Yeah.
That one is gone.
It's gone. Yeah, that one is gone.
So the others are lagging behind. The other ones are lagging behind. This one has moved up already. It's broken structure, it created a higher high. That's beautiful. It's actually beautiful.
Yeah. So let's just wait a couple more minutes, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. We've got our direction. We're just waiting for the confirmations, and yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Good Day Fam was monitoring XRP today on the exchange. It's bullish. Clearly, it's going to be a great 2026.
Yeah, you know what, bro? I actually agree with the crypto this year, bro. I think crypto is gonna do well.
Is it?
Yeah, I think crypto is gonna do well. When the dollar starts to stabilize, I think we're gonna do well. It's good that all of them actually came down, man.
Yeah, they're extremely down. The price is extremely low now.
Yeah.
Look at your altcoins, extremely low. All right, yeah. So one way from there is just towards the upside.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So let's see. We'll monitor XRP, USD, Ripple. We'll monitor Ripple and see what it does.
Yes.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're still waiting. We've spoken about gold, silver, USD, JPY. We also had Euro USD in the mix. AUD USD pushed. So now we're just waiting, right? Should there be any changes? We'll talk about those changes. At the moment, we don't see them.
Yeah.
Should there be any changes? Definitely, we'll talk about them. It's 11 minutes after 4 at the moment.
Yeah.
So let's give it a few more minutes. Let's see what's going to happen, right?
Yes. So maybe just for the guys.
Sure.
So remember on the gold we were looking for the 15-minute, right?
Yeah.
Below the 5058.
On gold, right?
Yeah, it was 5058.
5058, yeah.
Yeah.
5058, yeah.
Euro USD was the 5-minute below 1.18.
Yeah.
565. USD JPY was a 20-minute above 153.948. So far it's actually looking really good. Look at that Euro USD. If you just speak pure structure, do you see how that structure is creating a lower high there now on the 5-minute?
The 5 minutes.
Yeah. Do you
Let's see.
just look at that? So it created the low. It's come up for a correction. Just pure structure.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's creating a lower high there.
Yeah, see where the market is. That's
Yes.
the area to, yeah.
Exactly. It's creating a beautiful lower high there.
Yeah. So we're pushed down. That's about what, from 30 to 40 pips.
Yeah.
That could be
Yeah.
a nice one.
A very nice one as well.
That could be a nice one. All right. So yeah. So standing by, guys. Standing by. All the gold diggers standing by. Yeah. Well, we're talking about trading, right? Not standing by.
Yeah. Jury, the BTC, man, I really think it's gonna do well, bro.
Wait, is it the long or short on BTC?
Are you scalping it?
Oh, but scalping it.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
That will be interesting one.
Yeah. Yo. All right, let's see. We'll have a look at the BTC later on in the week, yeah?
Yeah. So guys, me and T, we're looking at gold. We're looking at Euro USD. We're looking at USD JPY.
Yeah. So we're just waiting now. Let's see what's going to happen, right? 90% of the time, what do you do as a trader? You wait.
That's true.
You wait. Well, might be 95% of the time, but hey, we do more waiting.
You do more waiting, and if you put in a lot of volume, that wait for 5 minutes is worth it.
It's worth it, right? It's worth it. It's worth it.
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, the Euro USD looks like it's running out of steam there now.
So it's a buy on Bitcoin. Okay.
Okay, so you're holding it there.
Yeah. You must just be patient with it, my man.
Yeah.
Just be extremely patient with it. You know. All right.
Yeah, that's going to require patience. Yeah, look at the gold price, bro. It stopped right at the 14 period moving average.
Oh, moving it right there. Yeah, that's acting as a resistance right now.
Exactly.
So you're on the M15, right?
M15, yeah.
All right. So we're standing by. We are standing by. We are standing by, right? Nothing has happened as yet, guys.
Yeah.
The CPI is coming up this coming Friday. So we might be getting some clean movements on that one. We all know how it moves, how it tends to move.
Yes.
Might be getting some very clean and smooth movements, right? So this one is a bit ugly, so we're just waiting for the confirmations. Shovels are ready. Shovels ready. Yeah, no, let's dig this thing. Let's dig this thing. All right. All right, so standing by. Standing by. Standing by.
Bro, just put on the moving average 14-day period for gold there, and then it is already on the 15-minute, no?
All right, a 14-day.
Yeah, a 14 period, sorry.
Yeah, 14. All right, moving average 14. Yo, mine was on 100. So 15 minutes,
Yeah.
14.
Yeah, 15-minute frame.
Yeah.
Is that
Right
the 15-minute frame?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
On gold?
On gold, yeah.
Really?
So let me just remove this line. Yeah, 15 minutes.
Whoa. What is that? Really, bro?
Yeah, does it look different? Wait, you said 14-day, right? Moving average. The period is 14, unless yours is different. Yours isn't 50.
Smooth. Oh, the smooth.
Smooth, yeah. Smoothed.
Yeah, there we go.
All right.
So let's see what happens here, because that is definitely a resistance. And just so you do know, the smooth there, they can use the simple and the smoothed both together. So if I were to do this T, just check this out, bro. So
They won't be far apart from one another.
now that acts as a range. That's the reason why I'm mentioning that, right? So look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful range.
Yeah.
A beautiful range for us. So it could touch it, the simple, and then come down again. But if it breaks above that, then you know we're extending to the upside.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, it's interesting. That gives you kind of like confluence, you know?
Yes.
Using those two moving averages.
Together. Exactly.
And then you combine it with the RSI.
Exactly. It's a powerful combination.
Yeah. All right. So I guess we're still waiting, Ash.
Yes.
Still waiting. Wait. So thanks, guys. I still have 2 trades in a sell, no TP set. So do I keep or take that loss? The question here is, do I close the trade now or do I keep it? I mean, the answer I would give there is, when you sold initially, what levels did you anticipate Euro USD to reach? Surely you have to have some levels, whether it's a previous area of support, resistance, maybe FIP levels there. So what levels did you anticipate? And if the market has not reached those levels, what I would do is I would move my stops to break even so that I don't incur, there's no any risks on the trade or risk on the trade. And then I will hold it. All right. That's what I would do. So if it reached those levels as yet, then you can, the setup is done. You can close the trade. But if not, make sure you manage that trade, move your stops to break even, and then just relax. The worst case scenario is a break even. That's the worst case scenario. So break even, not a bad thing. You didn't lose your risk. So that's what I would do on that.
I would also ask the question: what was your initial setup? Like, what was your plan? If you sold because that was part of your plan, and it didn't go according to the plan, then you should have an exit strategy, exit clause.
Yep.
So if you don't have an exit clause in place, if it moved above an area where you pull the plug, because we get what we call drawdowns.
Yep.
And if it's drawing down past the level that you want, then by default you should not be in the trade. You see, so that's why you when you plan the trade, have an entry technique but have an exit one as well. And a lot of people, and T, I think we in our podcast last year we spoke about exit strategies, and we said people have a lot of entry strategies but they never focus on exit. Not that that's you, Suleiman, all right? Just generally speaking, many people don't do that. So when the NFP happens and it kind of messes up, because that's what it does. This NFP CPI, it messes up your plan.
Yeah.
And then now you got to rethink. So you got to think for that in advance and say, if the NFP messes up my sell here, this is the place I would want to get out. That's the candle. If it closes above there, I'm out. I'm not even playing around. That should be that's the question I would have actually asked you if you were right here with me and I saw your screen and we could speak.
Exit strategy.
Your exit strategy. You see that? Because if we were to give you the market right now, Euro USD is fighting to go up. Okay, it's fighting to go up, but there's a resistance for that. So it's either you in the resistance for the short, or you are in the fight for the upside. Do you see that? It's one of the two.
Yeah.
So the risk is going to be in both. Because if you're buying and the resistance plays out first, then you are taking the risk on that. It will all depend on what end you are taking that trade. And also, if you're trading short term, there's another feature. If you're trading short term, then the risk will automatically be higher for the long term, which is more geared towards the bulls. Okay.
There we go.
We want to try and give you more information, so that it's not just, do this, do that, etc. All right.
1.1833 is my take profit.
Can just let's go to that, bro. Let's just see what Suleiman. Look at that Euro USD now, bro. Look at that. See that? It's coming now. That's what me and T's talking about, guys. Look at that.
Okay, so
there's our moves now coming. Like it looks like it's coming now. So the Euro USD is pressing first. USD JPY second. Gold is taking longer.
So that level is on the low. Actually, the previous low.
1.1833.
1.18333. So it's on that low. I'm on the. Let's go to the 15. Yeah.
It's a little bit above that spike, nah?
Yeah, just a little bit above this.
Look, you're gonna be in the money. Me and T wants to take this short here. If the 5 minute closes now, we want to take this short here. So you'll be in the money anyway. You see that?
Yeah, so just be a bit patient with it.
Yeah, let's just see. Look at that. Look at this one now. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look how this is coming down here, bro.
Yeah. That's Euro USD.
Yeah, 1 minute and 27 seconds left for this candle here.
All right. I see gold is also pushing down, silver pushing down, Euro, USD JPY pushing up.
Exactly, which is what we had chatted about, isn't it, bro?
Yeah. So our setups are forming.
It's forming now.
So just a little bit of patience.
That gold is struggling though. Gold is struggling.
struggling.
Yeah.
Just gonna wait on it. So let's see, Euro USD.
Yeah, it's got 50 seconds left before that candle closes.
Euro USD. Let's do this.
34, come on. $26. Look, it's struggling now. That support. Come on.
Struggling, yeah?
Yeah, come on. 20 seconds. Come on. Yes. Look at that. Look at that.
Euro USD.
Ah, man. Could have waited. Bro, it's closing above. It's closing above, bro. One more candle.
You're on the 1 minute.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay, I'm on the 5 minute. Yeah.
4 more minutes left.
Yeah.
Now we could, you see, guys, this is what T was saying.
Yeah.
If you get in now and this price goes up, it's not worth it.
Just need to wait. So
Just
you see now the plan. You know, we've got the plan. Look, we're just gonna wait. Someone is asking, how about Nasdaq? What do you guys think? Do you have any thoughts on Nasdaq, Ash?
Nas right now is sitting at the resistance of 25384. And and what's very important about this one is the Nas, the previous candle on the 4 hour has closed above the 58 strength on the RSI. So I'm gonna wait for the 6 hour candle to close above 25384. I will even go as far as to say, the 6 hour.
Yeah. You see that 25384 that you mentioned there. It close above that.
Yeah, on the 6 hour.
Okay. There seems like there's a reversal structure that's forming here. Just the reversal structure here.
Yes.
So it close above this. It's gonna like close above the neckline, kind of like the neckline.
It's like a neckline. So that gives us the upward movement that we want.
So I wouldn't short as yet.
Yeah. Wouldn't do anything right now.
Yeah.
Right now there is the influx of buys that want to come in, but there's no follow through yet.
Right. Yeah.
So in Euro USD, looks like we might get that close now on this candle.
It's struggling to go up. So
yeah,
give it a few more.
And that's a big red candle from a momentum perspective, but it still stopped at in that range though.
Yeah.
It never broke the range.
Never broke the range.
Exactly. So structurally, we're still in that consolidated space.
Right. So in the meantime, gold is looking good. Silver is looking good.
Yeah.
Right. So we're standing by. We're standing by. Making sure I've got gold here. Yeah. Now we're standing by. All right. So we are prepared. Let's see. Standing by.
Hey man, it's looking good now, bro.
Yeah, definitely. Let me look at the 5 minutes on gold. Yeah, no, I think gold looks good.
Looks good, nah?
So we just need the break below that zone. Then we're good to go. All right. An hour 26 minutes into the stream.
Yeah, nah.
Thank you for still being
Hold
with
on.
us.
Yes.
Yeah, no, look.
Me and T, we don't take that lightly, guys.
Yeah,
we don't take things like that lightly.
We don't.
All right. I see Suleiman there, beautiful. And then Jordy, is it going down? We're waiting. We're seeing, my brother. We're waiting for it. We're waiting to see. It looks like gold wants to come through. Look at that. Yep. It's exactly what we chatted about. But we have no choice but to wait unless we look. How many are we now? We've got 68. So 68 trillion US dollars will do it for us. We can have that money. We'll force the market down.
68 trillion.
Yeah, we'll force the market down.
and the market value, the the forex market value is like, it's like how much? Like 8 trillion.
Yeah, it's like 8-9 trillion now.
Yeah, I think it has gone up.
But
from six.
it jumped from 6.
Yeah,
Remember it was 6
Yeah,
and
I
then
remember it was 6.
it
yeah.
pushed up like 3 trillion up.
Well, let's check. Let's check actually. Here.
Yeah, check it there for the guys. All right, so the Euro USD still not down there. 46 seconds left until this 5-minute closes beneath. It's not gone yet.
Yo, listen to this, Ash.
Hmm.
9.6 trillion.
That's rounded off to 10.
Oh,
That's actually 10.
you remember when it was 6?
Yeah.
6 trillion. Now
Yeah.
9.6 trillion. Jeez, man. That shows that goes to show that there's a pie for everyone.
Yes.
The pie is big for everyone.
It's big, yeah.
You know, my goodness, daily turnover. Come on. Yeah, no. That's why we're gonna get more traders and more traders and more traders coming in. All right. Okay, so we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Look, we're waiting. The open, it's the open now, Ash.
It's the open. All right.
It's 4:30, right?
Was it 3:30?
Oh, the open.
Oh, yeah, it shifted daylight saving.
Yeah, if it's shifting, then that means 4:30. All right, but let's see. We're waiting. It's 4:30.
It would be 4th if it's
This is the open now. There's a bit of reaction. There's a bit of reaction now. All right. So standing by. Standing by.
Standing by.
Standing by.
Yeah, daylight savings 4:30 to 11. See, there's that. So this candle here might force it now, bro, down.
So we're looking for 5058. Is there or 5044?
5058.
5058.
Which means at 16:45, if that 15 closes beneath 5058, that's a beautiful short in the US market.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful short, bro. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. 13 minutes left. Very nice setups right now. It's just a matter of waiting for them.
Yep. So Nasdaq, So Nasdaq. Let's just wait and see what's gonna happen there. But it seems like this wants to push to the upside.
But the NAS.
Yeah.
But the NAS won't push if the dollar's strong.
Very strong, it won't push.
Yeah.
So it needs a stronger dollar.
It needs it needs a weaker dollar. A weaker dollar. So if we get the gold, see, that's the default correlation.
Yeah.
So if the correlation is out, then so be it, which we've experienced before. But a weaker dollar will make stocks cheaper. More people will come in.
Yeah.
So if the dollar strengthens in gold and Euro USD, it means NAS is going to stay put for now. It's going to stay put for now, which is there.
Got you. All right. Yeah. So we are waiting now, guys. Let's see what gold is going to do. It looks promising.
Yeah.
Seems like it wants to push towards the downside. So standing by.
And short term, T is correct. Short term, guys.
Yeah.
Not long term. Long term, gold is still bullish.
Yeah, definitely still bullish.
All right. So we must just give it another until 16:45.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. Let's give it.
Just to see where these 15 minutes closes, and then we'll call it. Okay.
Great stuff. So we're giving it, what is it? 12 more minutes.
Yeah. The Euro USD, though, we got 1 minute and 44 seconds left. This could be the entry now. It's coming. Look at that.
It's looking good.
It's looking good. That's on the 5 minute.
The Euro USD.
Yes. Below the 1.18565. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Just show your head beneath. Put a wick there.
Yeah. It's promising.
Show your wick. Look how accurate price is. It's like the wick doesn't want to dip below, because the moment the wick goes below, it's created a new low now.
Yep.
It doesn't, look at that. It's
struggling on it.
yeah, the accuracy is insane. Guys, I hope you're paying attention to this. The wick of the current candle is precisely at that support. It's not even going down, showing its face. It's not showing its face. Look at that. Maybe the next one will. If the next one does, it's good. Then it's good. It's good news. Look at that. 25 seconds left. It's not showing its face. "17 seconds left." Particle, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, no, it hasn't showed. Next one. This is, guys, that's been 15 minutes of waiting. There's nothing we can do. We have to wait. Unless you give us the trillions, guys. Maybe this one will give it to us. Let's see. But what I want you to really look at there, look at the accuracy and the precision of price. It's literally hanging in that specific area, which means if we do get the follow through we want, then it's going to move. Yeah, look at gold. Gold is not yet.
All right, we are still here, guys. Still here. So we're just waiting for gold, Euro USD. The accuracy there is insane.
It's insane, man.
It's insane. All right. So yeah. So standing by. Okay, so gold is promising. Euro USD should be.
Yeah, look at gold now. Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Aha, now look at this. See what gold is doing.
Yes. There we go. 7 minutes left. It's touched it. It's good.
Standing by.
There we go. Euro USD is not.
All right. As you guys can see, we are waiting. Euro USD has not done what it needs to. Yeah, struggling there.
6 minutes left on the gold. Yeah, look at NAS retreating now. Exactly.
Yeah, now look at gold, Ash.
Look at that.
I think it's ready.
It's cooked.
I think it's ready. All right, I think it's ready. So I'm gonna go in.
Okay.
On gold, scalping it. Right, I'm in.
Okay.
All right, I'm in on gold, scalping it. I'm in on gold, scalping it.
Okay, tease into the gold.
All right, let's see. All right, slowly coming nice, slowly there. Aha, look at that.
15 minutes. Sean. T's already in though.
Yeah.
T's already in for a short. I'm waiting for that 15-minute close.
I'm on the 5 minutes.
T's on the 5 minute there.
Yeah. All right. In slight profit, but looking good, looking promising so far. All right, let's go. There we go. Just need one more push. Aha. Ish. We dip in it.
Dipping.
We in it. All right, so gold. I'm in on gold. There we go. It's moving. There we go. Looking nice on my end.
Nice. Anyone else that's in gold now?
Looking nice on my end. Looking nice on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna exit, Ash.
You're gonna exit?
Yeah, no. I think I'm good now. There's the next 5 minutes time frame. Nah, candlestick that's forming now. Let's see. A retracement that's happening. It's on 5044.
Yeah, it's beneath our zone, right? So I've got 4 minutes left here on the 15-minute, and then I'm gonna go for the short to about 512.
Yeah, no, it's really looking good.
Yeah,
it's really looking good.
Euro USD is also looking great now, guys. It's coming along. We had to wait a little bit, but it's coming along.
So if it breaks 5044, yeah, then we're pushing down. There we go. Look at that. My word.
So it's short-term movement to the downside, guys. Just so you know.
Yeah. All right. Aha, there we go. There we go. Now I think I'm gonna close, Ash. Ooh, my goodness.
Nice.
Come on now. Yeah, no. I'm gonna be out. Bulk positions. Whoa. Bulk operation. My goodness. Yeah, we're approaching that. Let's go. Hey. Ish. Okay, let's try again.
Euro USD looking good here for me as well here now.
Nah, I'm out.
You're out.
I'm out.
Did you bag it? Did you bag it?
I'm out.
Anyone else that's bagging gold there? Good. Yeah. Good. There we go. Suleiman?
Yeah. Not a bad one.
There we go. Beautiful, guys. Fantastic.
Gold, we are done, guys. Yeah. Did anyone enter? Let's see.
Suleiman there took a shot on gold. TP hit. Nice. Beautiful.
There we go.
Good.
Put a fire emoji there in the meantime. Let's go. Yeah, no, this was a nice move. Yeah. No, that was a nice move. I went in with 2 positions actually.
Nice.
Yeah.
With 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 of them on gold. So Euro USD
struggling, bro. But the wick at least dipped below. So.
Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful move on gold.
Yeah.
My word.
Waiting for it to go a little bit. See, I want that rejection.
Yeah.
1 minute 46 seconds left. I'm waiting for that. Yes, just go up a little bit. Close.
Yeah. No, we waited. We fought. We waited. Quick 60 pips. Nice one. Chinonye. Yes, I did. Beautiful. So I'm out. Right. So let's see what Euro USD is gonna do now.
I'm definitely waiting for that too.
Made 14K. Nice.
Beautiful.
Chinonye. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Apologies if I'm not. That's a good one.
Nice, guys. Beautiful, guys.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right. That's fantastic, man.
And you see, the wait is worth it. You said that, Ash. The wait is worth it.
The wait is worth it at the end of the day.
As long as you've got a plan on how you're going to approach the setup, you're
Yes.
just waiting.
Just waiting for it.
There you go. All right. So you're still keeping an eye on Euro USD.
Yeah, I am. Looks like we're going to go in now, bro. Let's just see the close there. Come on. Big struggle. We have to admit, big struggle.
Yeah, definitely. Big struggle. It looks like it's coming nicely.
All right. Euro USD, nothing yet.
Still not. It's consolidating there.
Yeah.
You see it. All right, standing by. So 1645, that candle has closed.
Yeah, it's closed beneath. I went in for a short now. So there's the correction. Euro USD's, yeah.
There we go. It's coming now. It's coming now. Yeah, there's definitely a fight here.
Yep.
Okay. Let's try again.
Yeah, if the Euro USD can just that 1.18565, guys, 1.18565.
1.18565.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a real fight going on here. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Are you seeing it, Ash?
The Euro USD.
Euro USD.
Yeah. Nice. 1 minute left.
There we go.
Very nice. See, and the fact that it's fighting in that area shows you it's a key area.
So where are you looking to close?
At that low there, 1.18318.
18318.
Yeah. So the fact that it's doing that at that area shows you it's a key point.
Yeah.
It's a key point.
And the breakout is gonna be explosive.
Yes, if it's gonna build up like that.
You are simply using a high lot size. So if your platform tells you not enough money,
Yeah.
then you are using a higher lot size.
Yeah.
You need to reduce it a little bit. That means
You need to get into the classes.
you're going full margin here.
Yeah, you need to, and you need to get into some some classes so that we can show you how to calculate
Yeah,
using leverage and
that is the beginner class. In our beginner class, we talk about risk management, laying a foundation, showing you how to calculate a proper risk, a lot size according to your account. Also looking at leverage, understanding leverage. So if it says not enough money, that means you are going max lot size. That is according to your account, of course. Yeah. Okay, Ash.
Yeah, the Euro USD. There we go.
There we go. Okay, so you're looking to exit on 1.18333.
318.
319. Okay. All right. Standing by.
Okay, I'm in on the Euro USD. I'm in on the Euro USD. I got into the Euro USD for a short.
Yeah, this is gonna move. Now it has broken below that zone. It's gonna move now. There might be like a 1 minute retest of that zone.
Yeah.
Right, standing by. Right. So your exit Ash is on. Okay, we spoke about that level.
Yeah.
So do we wait for it, or what do you think?
So I'm gonna wait for it. So let's let's maybe wait a few more minutes.
Okay.
All right. Let's see what it gives us.
All
right. But that low there, 1.18318, is the area that I'm looking to go because that's where that spike is. So just looking to correct the spike, and then get out. You see that,
Okay.
and look at the 15-minute on the Euro USD, bro. Remember, we have done a lot of these before.
Yeah.
Where that setup looked exactly the way it looks, and it always went down to that spike,
broke, and then poof,
and then went down,
falls.
and it falls, does its thing, and then we out. So the higher time frames is showing us the greater opportunity here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Definitely.
Yeah, gold is struggling now to fulfill its mandate, but it also struggled. Remember, it went up for 30. No, it went up for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Then it only came down.
Yeah.
It was retracing for literally 45 minutes. So I'm not surprised at the fight there right now. So guys, remember what me and T is telling you. Also, long term, we are doing. We know that gold is still bullish. We are trading the short-term movement right now. That's all we're doing. That's what we're doing.
Scalping it.
Scalping it, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Scalping it. All right, standing by. Standing by. All right, but so far we're hoping that you guys are learning, you are enjoying.
Yes.
People who took gold, you made profits. glad with that. So we're looking at Euro USD now.
Yeah.
So standing by on that. Standing by on that.
Yeah, that correction there, like you said, minute corrections
Yeah.
taking place on the Euro USD. But still looking good.
Yeah, a retest of that zone. We're gonna fall now. I mean, this is gonna fall.
Sean, again, you are using a lot size that is too much for your trading account. So the deposit you are doing or attempting to do is outweighing the amount of money you have in your balance. So in other words, you don't have enough cash to open up that transaction. So what you have to do is deposit more funds, number one, or two, go to a smaller lot size. Now remember, there's micro lots, mini lots, and then standard lots. Just put, if you're able to, if you feel comfortable, please put on the chat facility there, what is the volume you're using? Just type it on the chat facility. If you are comfortable doing that. If you're not, it's fine. But just put it on in the chat facility. What is the decimal number? Is it 0.10, 0.50, 1.00? What is the lot size? Just put it on there quickly. Let us know. Yeah, it's struggling, bro. Yo.
You see it?
It's struggling.
No, but we just need to wait for it. You know, it will move.
I agree with you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that NAS retreated, eh? Sure. Just like we mentioned.
All right, standing by. So do we give it a few more minutes?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's actually do this, bro. Just look at I'm looking at the smooth and the simple moving average to give us the range. Yeah, it's still far from that. See, look at that. Still very far from that. So unless it crosses, then but yeah, at this point in time, we are still bearish short term here. So yeah, maybe another 2 minutes, bro. Then we stop.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe at 5, guys. We're gonna stop at 5. I think we went on. What is it?
For an hour 56 minutes.
Almost 2 hours.
Almost 2 hours. Yeah.
But guys, in the greater scheme of things, this 2 hours is nothing compared to the weekly movements and so forth. All right, it just feels like quite a bit because we're in it now. But you guys should know it as well as T and I, that this is just This is just 2 hours that we are extracting from the week. Yeah, look, bro, that simple and that exponential, it's so beneath them.
There was a strong resistance there.
Strong resistance, bro.
Yeah.
So even if it went up till there, it's fine. It just mustn't break that. If it breaks there, and a candle close above it.
The red is the simple one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So yeah,
simple.
that's acting as a strong resistance.
No, smooth. Sorry, it's a smooth one. So the simple one is closer.
It's the blue, yeah.
It's the blue, yeah. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think, yeah, bro. Yeah, I think we are right. So, guys, just to look back, short term, we're looking at stronger dollar. NFP came out much stronger than expected.
Yeah.
So now we have to watch tomorrow for inflation.
No, on Friday.
No, I mean like the headlines.
Oh, yeah.
Tomorrow. So now the question is going to come tomorrow. Is the country heating up? Which means the cuts get delayed for later. So that's the kind of communication we're going to wait for. Let's see. But then again, connecting to your point though, if there's more jobs, there's more spending. So which means inflation could be higher, which is good for the dollar.
Yeah.
But then interest rate cuts come later. You see.
Yeah, no, we will be talking about this in our CPI stream on Friday.
Yes.
Same time, same place, guys. And yeah, I think, Ash, are we
good to go, brother?
Good to go. All right.
Good to go.
So, guys, hoping you guys enjoyed the session. We went for almost 2 hours. Caught gold.
Yeah.
On Euro USD at the moment. So let's see what's going to happen with the CPI, right? Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it from us.
Yes. Have a good one, guys. See you Friday. See you guys Friday.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Thank you.